Hi, my name is Emily Elias and I'm a third year circus pattern and textile student here at Swansea College of Art. I chose to study circus pattern and textiles because I was so inspired by the facilities that were on offer here on the course and the breadth of industry connections and knowledge that the tutors had to offer. My favourite thing about the course is the skill set that the course provides you with. I am now leaving as a third year student and I feel so empowered and I feel like I'm set up ready for industry. I'm really excited to go to new designers, to showcase my work, to meet with industry professionals, to get feedback on the designs that I've presented and to get a real knowledge and insight into the professional design industry. Hopefully the new designers experience will offer some exciting opportunities, but I am looking forward to refining myself as a designer and taking what I've learned from the course into the real world.